So my journey of this PLR session started 30 days ago, but I had a wish to learn this course since maybe my college days. So, but I was not destined. I was destined to learn it from sir, and this was an amazing journey. And you all will come to know that how amazing sir is too. So, and I was a kinesthetic person, but listening to the Akashic records, I do have some visuals now. I do get some flashes, and I'm able to do my sessions on myself. I mean, get it done by others. So it was an amazing journey. And what else I want to say is that this group, what sir has created, this is a so helpful group. Such as so many spiritual people are there, and I find so much peace and help in this group. Like they are always ready to help you. This is the most amazing part of this session, and this 30 days passed like anything, and I wish I could continue it more, but everything comes to an end. So I really love the course, and sir is a very down-to-earth person, very approachable, and sir is very supportive.
Thank you.